Do you want to know how you potentially can earn up to $5 per survey on Triaba, and if it's a survey platform that is even worth joining? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me for an updated Triaba service review, so therefore I decided to record this video where I'll give you an inside look. I'll show you both the pros and the cons based on my experiences, and then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over the basics of what Triaba is and who can join. And it is a paid service site. It is completely free to join, and you can see it also says on the website that you can earn up to $5 per survey. The exact maximum you can earn per survey will of course vary depending on the country you live in. In some countries you won't be able to reach that much, but we'll talk more about the overall earning potential a little bit later. And when it comes to who can join, you can see they do have a list of the different countries. They have a specific platform for each of these different countries here. So you can go to the website there, you can choose your country, and then it's available in the local language, in the local currency. In some countries you can see also you can choose between different languages, but it is available in a lot of different countries. At the time recording this video, I believe it's like around 86 countries or something like that. So I also do like that it does have surveys in some countries where it sometimes can be difficult to find paid service, but it of course also has a panel in the countries where you usually can find many different paid service. So overall definitely flexible like that. But let me now log in and then I can show you exactly how it works. So I just created a new account to show you how it looks like from scratch. And it's very easy to use. There's actually not a lot to show in here. You can see you just come in and then you have the dashboard with the different surveys. You can see approximately how long it takes to complete the surveys and the exact reward you get. As mentioned, how much you can earn per survey really depends on the country you live in. And yes, you can earn up to $5 per survey in the US, for example, but even in the US, it will be very rare that you will find services that actually pay $5. But overall, I would say the rewards on Triaba are definitely decent. They are average or above average, depending on the specific surveys. In my experience, I have used it actually for years, and I have also been paid by it several times, so I know that it actually also does pay. But overall, super easy to use. You get a good overview of the available surveys. New ones are added regularly. To get the most chances of getting paid service, you need to go and also fill out your profile. It does take a little bit of time to fill out, but it can help you to get more service. So definitely also something you should do if you decide to join it. But before deciding, it's of course also extremely important to know how you can get paid. So let's also talk about that next. So the exact payout methods can vary depending on the country you live in, and so can the payout threshold, meaning how much you need to earn to get paid. But for example, in the US, you can see they offer PayPal and then Tremendous. The payout threshold here, for example, is $10. If we, for example, look here in Singapore, you can see it is for Tremendous there 12 Singaporean dollars, but only 8 Singaporean dollars if you go via PayPal there. Philippines there, you can see also here they have something also called G codes there, but also then PayPal and Tremendous there. So they do have many different options. The exact payout threshold, all these things you can see it can vary slightly, but many of the methods are the same. And you then might be wondering what this Tremendous is that is offered in many countries. And this is actually a gift card that can then be used for many different rewards. You can see if you go to the website there, you can see depending on the country, again, it can be used for many different gift cards. So it doesn't mean that it only has like PayPal and then a gift card there. This particular gift card, it can actually be used for many different rewards. So in that sense, it definitely has flexible payout options and also a fairly low payout threshold in most countries. So overall, I really do like the simplicity of Triaba. It's very easy to use, and there's nothing that distracts you or anything like that. You can also take the service on your phone. You just need to log in to the website on your browser, and it is optimized for that. So I do like that because it's always great being able to take surveys on the go. The payout threshold is fairly low. It's not the lowest, but still it won't take too long to reach in most countries. Also, the payout options are quite good because they are very flexible. It gives you quite a lot of different options that are suitable for each country depending on where you live. So overall, I do think it's a good service site, and it is also one that I think is worth checking out if you are not a member yet. I do also have a joining link for it. I do have a written review of Triaba on my website. I'll leave a link to that below, and at the top there you can also find a joining link. You can then go there and then you can choose your country, and then you can sign up for free, and then you can get started in a few minutes. So you can check that out if you think this sounds like something for you. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time. We'll see a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.